Hello everyone, this is Kaylee, so welcome, and today I'm gonna bring you to Copenhagen, Denmark for 3 days, so let's begin. After arriving in Copenhagen, we settled into the Airbnb and took it easy for the night. It was already late, so we hopped on bicycles, grabbed some pizza to go, and enjoyed a relaxed evening.
It's a cute station.
Day 2 started with a visit to Kastellet. It's a star-shaped fortress surrounded by lush greenery, and it's a great spot for a nice lawn stroll. From there, we headed to one of Copenhagen's most iconic landmarks, the Little Mermaid statue. It's actually smaller than I expected. Next, we visit Amalienborg, the royal palace. We didn't go inside, but walked around the area surrounded by the palace buildings. Nearby is Frederick's Church, also known as the Marble Church. It's stunning with its impressive dome and a unique greenish copper color that stands out against the skyline. So we stroll around the church, which is definitely stunning and beautiful. We ended the afternoon at King's Garden, which is Denmark's oldest walled garden, and where locals were enjoying the summer sun. So many apples. For dinner, we went to Restaurant Puck, where I tried some hearty Danish food, and it was a nice way to wrap up the day. Day 3 began at Juno the Bakery, known for its amazing pastries, and we just got some bread there for breakfast. Then I stopped by Nyhavn's Minister.
This bunch of yellow house.
It's an area filled with charming yellow and orange houses, originally built as former naval barracks for military personnel. From there, I headed to the Round Tower, which is definitely a must-see in Copenhagen. The spur ramp leading to the top is such a unique experience. It's way more fun than regular stairs. And once you reach the top, you're rewarded with absolutely stunning 360 views of the city. Next, I visited Nyhavn, which is Copenhagen's largest square. It's surrounded by iconic landmarks like the World Danish Theatre, with a central garden, cobblestones, paths, and lively atmosphere. Of course, no trip to Copenhagen is complete without visiting Nyhavn, the iconic waterfront lined with colorful townhouses, restaurants, and boats. It's even more vibrant and lively in the summer. And then I explored Freetown Christiania, which is an alternative, self-governed community known for its creative spirit and unique vibe. It's unlike anything I have seen before in the town, and I love how colorful and vibrant the area is. With plenty of shops and spots to grab some food while sitting around and soaking in the atmosphere. For dinner, we went to Christianshavn Cafe where I enjoyed a cozy meal by the water. We were basically sitting on a boat, which made the dining experience even more unique and memorable. On my last day in Copenhagen, it's a simple day. I stopped by a bakery for some fresh bread for breakfast, and I took a final walk around the area near the train station. And then it was the time to hop on the train for my next destination.
We're now heading back to the train station. What we're trying to